Okay, another Shopify tutorial quickly. We're going to talk about creating new products or duplicating a product, and when is it best to use either function. So for this example, I'm going to now go through those two methods, whether that be you're going to create new, which is on the top here. We're going to add a product. And when do you duplicate an existing product? So in my experience, if you want to add a new product, it means you want a blank, clean slate, and then you add a product from scratch, which is this method over here. You just add one from scratch. It'll have zero settings at all. It's like you've just started your Shopify store. This is the best method for us to follow if we don't want any confusion with another product, or it's something completely different. When I want certain things to come with an existing, when I copy it, and I want certain things to come with it, like collections that are the same. Maybe it's got a similar barcode and it just changes in a color, or it has a certain variant that differs that's easily fixable. Then I would go into the existing product that I want to duplicate from, because this is going to be a duplicate of this product, but it's going to have certain differences where, like just said now, it might just have a different collection, or it has a different color, or it comes in a different size, for example. In this instance, we are dealing with one of our clients that does pellet guns. So if we had to duplicate this, obviously you know that you can now select what you want to come with as part of the duplicate, or you can deselect everything that you don't want to come with. And then you can set it as a draft or to active. That's completely up to you. Like I said, only if you want certain things, such as these collections that it's going to be housed in, or you want pricing, or you want the inventory codes and barcodes and weight and shipping details, and maybe you want the meta description as well. If you want all of that stuff to come with, then duplication of an existing product makes more sense. If you want none of that to come with and you want a blank clean slate and fresh start, your best place would be to go here and just start from scratch. Now, if you follow our brand kit for this specific customer, our brand kit tells you exactly how to go from it, steps 1 to 5. It's very quick and easy to actually get products set up from scratch. You don't have to go through a duplication process or anything that's a little bit too complicated. So as you can see, steps 1 to 5 across the board here. It's very easy. Start with the title, go to the description, add media to the thing, which is obviously your pictures of the product. Set the status to active, choose the channels that you wanted to sell on, which is over here where you're going to publish them. Is it Google, Facebook, or all of them? And then you're going to make sure that you have the correct categories in place at the bottom here. Categories and vendor and all of that, because those are not stupid things, okay? That's what Google wants you to give it, so it knows how to feed this to people who are currently searching for it on Google's search engine. I hope this video helped. I don't want to go too much detail here and make this too long unnecessarily. If you follow a brand kit of some sort, just make sure you follow the steps that are outlined here. It's very self-explanatory once you know how to get going with this and actually read this document. Then it's very quick and easy to get things set up on a product side. Thanks.